Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to break down for you how you can disable the trending search suggestions on a Microsoft Edge, for example, via Microsoft Bing or Copilot. So let us dive into this. So if you're using Microsoft Edge and, for example, Copilot or Bing as a search engine, you may do this by entering or by accessing your browser settings here in the top right. Select Settings. And if you don't like receiving these trending search suggestions, navigate to privacy here on the left hand side, and after that click into search and connected experiences. After that, find this option here at the bottom address bar and search, and here click into this option, search suggestions and filters. So from that menu, guys, simply disable this option, show me trending searches from Microsoft Bing, which is exactly what we talked about and what we want to disable for this tutorial. There we go, switch it off. No need to save anything manually. These changes will be applied instantaneously, guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.